Hello! Today is exciting for me because I have gone and I've bought myself a RV truck train horn. I'm not sure how I'm going to power it at this minute because it's 24 volts, but I thought I'd just do an unboxing video for the hell of it. Now that I've started the video, I have no idea how to open it. I won't need scissors, but I don't know how to open it. Oh, what if I just... No, that won't work. Keep it in the picture. It's been opening somewhere. It's probably... Yes, it is. I see it. Put your thumbs. That works. That works. I've made a hole. The greatest thing to do. Some nuts and bolts. So the actual, I don't know what that is. Plug in, something like that. Oh, shout out to Callum. He's on standby. He's been helping. Here we go. Can't get it out yet. No. Thanks. Ooh. There we go. And I got him. That's the horn itself. Won't let me. It's a nice horn. Damn. One longer one. The tube that goes into the horn. Pressing air into it. The actual compressor unit. Damn. Brand new, it's like oily.
What do you expect?
And the other horn. The first one's already got it. I think there will be different pitches because of the length of the horns. Oh yeah, this one. No, it's just a spit. Oh no, it goes on here. Beautiful. It goes on there. Those are the two horns itself. Came from God knows where. Came from Melbourne. I bought it off eBay for $20 odd. It's gone blurry.
It's heavy.
Why is it gone blurry?
I have no idea.
I don't know. Oh well, that's the unboxing video. I just wanted to do that. I'm not going to assemble it here or anything because I don't want to accidentally break anything or anything like that. I wanted to do this because to see if anything was broken on the way here. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back.
Honk.